Today I'm going to talk about the DUI defense of flawed field sobriety tests, or FSTs. Now, when a person's stopped for a DUI, almost always the officer will ask, will you do some tests for me? Now, you should say, no, not until I call and talk to my lawyer, and you should invoke your rights immediately. But if you do the tests, or you have done these tests because you didn't know this advice, there are ways to attack the validity of these tests. First of all, under NHTSA, that's the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, there are some guidelines. These tests are not to be given and they're not valid if you're 65 years of age or older, or if you're 50 pounds or more overweight. You're not supposed to wear shoes that have heels of 2 inches or higher. You'd be amazed how many times they have women keep their shoes on and they try to get them to walk a line or stand on one leg, and they shouldn't do this. If they are going to have you walk a line, many times they use an imaginary line instead of a painted line. Well, that can be a defense because that's not how these tests were validated in the scientific setting. Out in the field, there really should be a painted line they find for you. Other things that can affect the test: traffic passing by, people honking, the fact that you're on display on a major intersection, the embarrassment factor of having your friends watch you. If you have any injuries to your legs, your back, your knees, that can affect these tests. In fact, they shouldn't even give you these tests if you have prior injuries. But if any of this applies to you and you've been arrested for DUI or cited for DUI, give us a call or go to our website at dmcantor.com, set an appointment. It doesn't cost anything to meet with us. We'll meet with you. It'll take about 30 minutes, and we'll go over your case with you from top to bottom and hopefully find a way out of this for you. But we look forward to hearing from you soon.